Hello and welcome back to Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Now I've got a really super cool circus skills video for you, and all you need is just one ball. If you haven't got a ball, grab a pair of socks that are balled up, use an orange, don't tell your parents, even a tennis ball. Just basically get a ball or something that's round. And what I really like about this routine is it shows you that juggling, anyway, personally for me, juggling is much more about just how many balls that you can juggle. And this is a really good demonstration of you can do something amazing with just one ball. So I'm going to go through this step by step, and then I'm going to put all the steps together to show you what the routine looks like. So you're going to start with the ball in your dominant hand. That's my right hand. If you're left-handed, you'll start with it in your left. And we start with a move that I call a zap, and that is a zap. 1, 2, 3. Now, you don't have to do it as flat and as hard as that. If you find that you're dropping, make your throws a little bit less hard and a little bit more lob-like. So that is a zap, and you just want to practice, get used to doing zaps. Just watch the ball going from hand to hand. The hands, you'll notice, are just above waist height, and you're just trying to fire it into each hand. So after you can do zaps, what we're going to do is we're just going to literally do a kind of drop, throw and a half a turn. This is what I mean. This is what it should look like. So you're going to go zap, zap, zap. And then after you've done 3 zaps with the ball in your non-dominant hand, so it's my left hand, you're going to sort of lift it up just above shoulder height, head height, put the other hand, move it across and drop and catch, and then you're going to do a turn, drop and catch. I'll do that again. So from the beginning we've got a zap, 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 turn, drop, turn and drop. And now we're going to repeat those moves but on the other side. So this is what it looks like. Zap, zap, zap. We turn, drop, turn, drop, zap, 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 turn, drop, turn and drop. So you kind of got that symmetrical look to your routine already. So when you're here, the ball will be in your dominant hand. We're going to do a sort of special throw, well, a special kind of drop. We're going to extend your arm, your right arm, like that. Hold your back nice and straight. Wrap it over your head, put your hand by your side and drop. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Stretch your arm out straight, wrap it over, look at the hand that you're going to catch it in and drop and catch. So I'll do that again. When the ball's in your dominant hand, you stretch your arm out, you wrap it over your head, there, stretch your arm out, wrap it over your head and catch. And now we need a kind of showy big finish, Hollywood finish, something like that, but that's quite easy to do. So take a small step forward. You can bring the hand up like that and put the other hand, your left hand, below. Some children might find that quite difficult, so you can just bring it up like that if you want, if they find it easier. Put your other hand, your left hand below, directly below, drop. Put your right hand, turn it sort of palm facing the sky, lift your head up, spread your arms like that, and that's the big finish. So this is what your one ball juggling routine looks like when you put all those moves together. Go zap, 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 turn, drop, zap, 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 turn, drop, arm straight. So I'll just do that once more really quickly. So that routine that I've just shown you is based on a series of videos that were produced by Robyn Dale. Now you can go and check them out on YouTube. You can check out all 8 videos. They sort of start easy. The one routine that I've done, just demonstrated there for you, is pretty close to the first video in his series. Not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. Go and watch them. They're great. They're a set of videos that will give you really good ideas for maybe warm-ups, an introduction to juggling. They're very creative. I certainly use some of that routine that I've just shown you in my workshops, and I find it works really well. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Check out Robyn Dale's videos. You'll really enjoy them. Until next time, it's a goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.